In the name of Allah, the most beneficial and the most merciful. My name is Hamza Khan. My IRID number is 19-4977 and my section is section Evening E. Today, my teacher, Dr. Tanveer Iqbal, has given me the task of determining soil texture by the field method. Soil texture can be defined as a proportion of sand, silt and clay in a soil. Texture influences almost every aspect of soil use, both in agricultural and engineering applications. There are three building blocks of soil, that are sand, silt and clay. They feel very different and have different properties, and each of them have different properties. Sand is the largest soil particle. Its measuring is from 0.05 to 2 mm in diameter, and it can be seen with a naked eye. Sand feels gritty to the touch and holds very little water. Silt is medium-sized component of soil. Its measuring is 0.002 to 0.05 mm in diameter. Dry silt particles feel like flour or baby powder. When wet, silt will feel smooth. Silt only holds a moderate amount of water. Clay is the smallest particle in the soil, measuring less than 0.002 mm in diameter and can only be seen with powerful microscopes. The largest clay particle is 25 times smaller than the largest silt particle and 1,000 times smaller than the largest sand particle. So, in order to determine soil moisture by field method, we will start with a small handful of soil about the size of a golf ball. We will add water slowly in the soil. We will mix it and until the soil reaches a smooth plastic consistency. We will form the soil into a ball and squeeze it. If the ball of the soil falls apart, then this is sand. If the ball does not fall apart, we will squeeze the ball until our thumb and four fingers form a ribbon until it breaks from its own weight. If no ribbon forms when the soil breaks and the soil feels gritty, then it is loamy sand, and if the soil feels smooth, it is silt. If a ribbon of less than 1 inch forms, we will wet a small pinch of soil and rub it against our palm. If the soil feels gritty, then this will be sandy loam. If it feels equally, it will be loam, and if it feels smooth, it will be silt loam. If the ribbon is 1 to 2 inches, we will wet a small pinch of soil and rub it against our palm. If the soil feels gritty, it is sandy clay loam. If it feels equal, it is clay loam, and if it feels smooth, it is silty clay loam. If the ribbon is 2 inches or longer than 2 inches, again we will wet a small pinch of soil and rub it against our palm. If the soil feels gritty, it is sandy clay. If it is equal, it will be clay, and if it is smooth, it is silty clay. In the name of